Everyone is telling you a lie about how YouTube algorithm operates or how YouTube read and understand your video. It's absolutely a lie.
Okay, so now what do you now mean?
Maybe they don't really understand what made their video go viral or what made their video to perform well. But telling you to upload your video as unlisted or put it to private or uploading it without setting it to public immediately, that it will make your video to start performing well on the long run, that is totally wrong.
Indulge me. For 1 second, pretend that I'm an idiot.
Okay, I'm there.
There is a reason why YouTube put all these different categories: public, private, unlisted, and a schedule. Now, let me tell you the truth right here. YouTube does not need your video to stay for 24 hours in private or unlisted before the algorithm will really understand your video. No. No. The algorithm understands and reads your video the moment your video is successfully uploaded. Once your video is successfully uploaded onto YouTube, it will process it. After processing it, which takes less than 5 minutes or 2 minutes or even 1 minute. And that is the reason why if there is a copyrighted content within your video, it will tell you immediately. So if the algorithm didn't understand the video within the first 1 minute or 2 minutes after it was uploaded to YouTube, you are yet to send it out to public, you are still trying to enter details, but it's already telling you that this content is copyrighted. That's to tell you that the algorithm is that fast to understand the content of your video. Now, when you upload your video, the algorithm understands and reads the content that fast, and after reading the content, now your video is sent out to some setup. The moment your video goes public, whether you like it or not, whether you kept it as unlisted some hour ago or you upload it to public immediately, your video is sent out to some set of audience, which some percentage is your subscriber and some are just random audience on YouTube that the algorithm thinks will be good for your video, your type of content. Now, what makes your video go viral?
Pay attention.
Or what keeps your video trending is if those audience watches your video to some extent. Let's say they watch like 50%, some maybe for 40%. Now, apart from the watching, what makes it go viral is if those audience that the YouTube send the video to, if they are genuinely interested, that is after watching your video, they liked it, they subscribed, they commented, they shared the video, they rewatched the video. These are the things that makes your video go viral, not leaving your video on. If you edit trash and you put it on as unlisted, when the video finally goes public, nobody will watch it. The moment they click to watch and they see that it's trash, they'll click out. So why not focus your attention at editing your video right, or creating an engaging content? Now you can create a trashy content. I've seen a content that is a total trash, but because of the way the video is edited, it can keep anyone watching all through the video. Yes, so here I am again. Do you understand what I'm driving at? So you need to make your content engaging enough so that people can watch your video, enjoy it, or if your video is an informative video, you go straight to the point, you give the information in an engaging manner. Okay, and that's what keeps people, that's what makes your video thrive on YouTube channel. I'm not telling you to keep it on as unlisted, yet it's okay. Since you've been keeping your video as unlisted and re-uploading it or something, has it done anything? Okay, I want you to just conduct an experiment. Create 2 YouTube channels. Okay, 2 YouTube channels with 2 emails. Keep one video as unlisted upload one immediately. This channel don't have any subscribers, and tell me the outcome, or you just see the outcome yourself. If I have not uploaded a video that, or if I have not uploaded videos that goes viral before, then I'll understand. I'll pay attention and try out all those things that those people are saying. But because I've uploaded video before, either unlisted or immediately, a video that is engaging, that engages the audience, that whatever audience that it comes across, will definitely perform well. So here are top tips that makes your video engaging enough. When there are a lot of cuts within the video, okay, and when there is enough hook right from the beginning to the very end of the video, okay, and when you are not stressing a particular topic, and a very good editing, that's what keeps your video engaging for your audience. So you just bring out something unique and make it engaging enough, and people will watch your videos and you do well on YouTube. Okay,
You know what? Let's just agree to disagree, my friend.
What? Why?